Hello friends, is your car jerking, losing power, or running rough? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0307, it means cylinder 7 is misfiring. This can reduce fuel efficiency, increase emissions, and even damage your engine if not fixed in time. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0307 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0307? P0307 stands for Cylinder 7, Misfire Detected. This means the powertrain control module has detected that Cylinder 7 is not firing properly, causing poor engine performance. Common symptoms of P0307: check engine light on, engine shaking or vibrating at idle, loss of power and hesitation while accelerating, reduced fuel efficiency, exhaust smell or possible backfiring, engine stalling or running rough. If you notice these issues, it's important to check key components related to Cylinder 7. Sensor location, where to check. To diagnose P0307, inspect these key locations. Cylinder 7, spark plug and ignition coil, found on top of Cylinder 7, near the intake manifold or engine cover. Crankshaft position sensor, located near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel, responsible for engine timing. Camshaft position sensor, usually found on the cylinder head, it helps regulate ignition and fuel injection. Fuel injector for Cylinder 7, mounted on the intake manifold near Cylinder 7, controls fuel delivery. Mass airflow sensor, located between the air filter and throttle body, measures air intake. Throttle position sensor, positioned on the throttle body, regulates air intake. Oxygen sensor, found before and after the catalytic converter, monitors the air-fuel mixture. Vacuum hoses and intake manifold, located around the engine, responsible for maintaining proper air balance. A fault in any of these components can lead to a Cylinder 7 misfire. Common causes of P0307. 1. Worn-out spark plug or ignition coil for Cylinder 7. Weak sparks cause misfires. 2. Clogged or failing fuel injector for Cylinder 7. A dirty or damaged injector leads to improper fuel delivery. 3. Weak fuel pump or fuel pressure regulator. Low fuel pressure affects cylinder combustion. 4. Vacuum leaks. Cracked or loose hoses cause an unbalanced air-fuel mixture. 5. Dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor. Incorrect air intake readings affect combustion. 6. Crankshaft or camshaft position sensor failure. If these fail, ignition timing gets thrown off. 7. Excessive carbon buildup. Deposits in Cylinder 7 block fuel and airflow. 8. Clogged catalytic converter. A restricted exhaust flow affects engine efficiency. 9. PCM or wiring issues. Damaged wiring or a faulty PCM can disrupt the ignition process. How to fix P0307. Step 1. Check and replace the spark plug and ignition coil for Cylinder 7. Step 2. Inspect and clean the fuel injector for Cylinder 7. Replace if necessary. Step 3. Measure fuel pressure to ensure the pump and regulator are working properly. Step 4. Scan and test the crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor. Step 5. Look for vacuum leaks in hoses and the intake manifold. Step 6. Clean or replace the mass airflow sensor. Step 7. Check for clogged catalytic converter or exhaust system issues. Step 8. Reset the code and test drive the car to confirm the fix. Ignoring P0307 can lead to serious engine damage and costly repairs. Fixing it early will save you money and keep your car running smoothly. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P02690, Injector Circuit High Cylinder 13, and P0291, Cylinder 11 Contribution Balance Fault. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.